So how do you go about finding a prior owner for a vehicle? This is Dave at cartitles.com. In many cases, determining the prior owner can be helpful in order to get titling, to get documentation. The issue is finding out who was the last titled or registered owner. The problem with that is the federal DPPA, the Drivers Privacy Protection Act, makes it a crime to release the prior owner of a vehicle. So a DMV employee or an insurance company or somebody else who might have that information cannot release it to a third party except for one of 6 different what's called acceptable or permissible uses. And usually a new owner trying to track down a prior owner isn't one of those usages. The reason for this law is because vehicle information is protected as private record, just like your driver's license or your bank account even, because they don't want somebody to track you down as a prior owner and show up at your house and ask you more questions or stalking you or whatever the case might be. So getting that information can only be used in certain situations, like a manufacturer of the vehicle can get that, maybe to issue a recall. Some legal cases can be allowed to do that. As far as getting titling information, that may qualify as a permissible use, and in our title recovery process, we have a licensed investigative agency who can track that information down and use that as part of the process. It may not be possible to release it to the end user, but we can use it in order to develop a recovered title. So if you have questions about determining a prior owner, whether or not it's possible, we can look to see if one of those permissible uses applies in your case. You can reach us through our website at cartitles.com.